Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street, large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. This building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty, well-maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. Okay. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how we get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. Is everything go on? Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Lots of cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it. Alright, we're on the 4th floor, right off the elevator. A couple units on this floor. Right here, here, and here. Another one there. There's a fire escape around the corner. That's the stairwell. Only 4 floors down is the common ground, the first floor. So you don't have to take the elevator, which is nice, okay? But this is your unit, 424. It's a really nice unit. Very bright. High ceilings. Hardwood floors have just been refinished and glossed. Super safe building. Deadbolt, other lock, peephole. But here's your first living space. Through there is your kitchen with a stackable washer dryer, first bedroom, bathroom, and second bedroom, all with nice closet space. Here's your great ceiling height. Here's a shared patio with a neighboring unit, okay? Something very cozy and nice here. You look down upon Spruce and 16th Street. So that's Spruce, this is 15th. So you get to be on 16th, a little quieter, and you have a view of the city. It's really pretty, especially this time of day. But that's the space. Okay, we're back. Here's the main living space. Definitely room for a workspace, dining area, a living space. It's a nice size space. You do a lot of things here. You could put a desk or two here, put a living space here, a table there. There's lots of options. Here's a coat closet or extra storage. Here's your kitchen. Stackable washer dryer. Beautiful window. Okay. Full-size fridge. Gas stovetop. Lots of countertop space. The unit will be thoroughly cleaned before you move in. And really, there's enough room also here for a little breakfast nook or a small breakfast table. Almost like a bench or a huge windowsill. Big classic looking window. It's a really nice apartment. Again, hardwood floors throughout. This is your first bedroom. It's a perfect size, really nice. We have floor plans as well, which will include in the emails with these videos. Big closet space. Tons of storage, tons of hang-up space. It's a great bedroom. Passing through here, this is a dead closet. There is piping that runs up in here, okay, and access to plumbing behind your tub. So it's actually great that there's access to it. But it's a dead closet. Through here is your first bathroom and only bathroom. Shower, tub combo. Toilet, vanity, medicine cabinet. Another sill, large sill. It's a really nice apartment with room for a towel. Very high ceilings. Okay, and into the last bedroom. Great size. Nice pretty views. Large double closet. That's the apartment. Contact us ASAP if you're interested. We've had a ton of inquiries already as of the making of this video, and we hope to hear from you soon. Okay? Thank you.